This is a poster from 1920 by Matthias, and it's for a book publisher. So Verlag der Bücherfreunde is Verlag is publisher of the book friend or friend of the book. And I bought this because I just think it's really unique. I've never seen another copy of this. And I love the figure in the center. It looks like a figure that Fenneker would have done. That's another German posterist during the Weimar period. And he's reading a book between two giant books of a book by Ovid and Goethe's Faust. So it's kind of like a boudoir scene bookended by actual books. And things I really love about this are the text is all done in gold metallic ink, which you might not be able to see in the video, but it has been something that even Alphonse Mucha did. So this is something that poster artists have been using for a very long time, but it makes it really interesting and special. The other thing that I like to point out is that we use millennial pink in this poster, which we think of as a very contemporary color, but it was insanely popular at this time. A lot of posters by Lucien Bernhard and other big German names and posters used this type of bubblegummy pink that was very trendy at the time. The other thing I love about this poster is that there's a lot of flaws that really emphasize the used nature of this as an object and as a work of art. So you'll see tears in the poster that I just think make it really special and make it very, I don't know, interactive. It shows that this was a used piece of art. And a lot of collectors don't mind that kind of destruction in the piece because it just shows that it was a working object, which all posters were. These are not meant to be fine art. They are meant to be destroyed. They are meant to be thrown out. And the fact that they survive is what makes them interesting and special.